Hi and welcome back to Creative Digital Designs, and in this video I'm going to be showing how you can go ahead and schedule out Instagram or Facebook or different social media designs that you make in Canva and schedule them out on the different platforms. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and I just clicked on social media here, and just depending on what type of social media post you're creating, you can go ahead and click on that and start creating it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Instagram post for right now. And as we open up this Instagram post, so this is the longer form Instagram post. You can also do the square one, but we're going to go and click on one of these template designs once this loads. They also have a new feature where they can go ahead and generate a design for you that you can go ahead and click through and see that. But for example, you can go ahead and let's say, depending on what niche you are in, you can go ahead and search that to be able to use templates for your social media. We typed in fashion. Let's say that we have designed this out, and you can also add a page and create an abundance of social media posts under one Canva design. So let's say that we're done with this and we want to go ahead and schedule this on our social media. So all we have to do is hit share, and then we're going to go and hit schedule right here. You do have to have a Canva Pro account. But Canva Pro account is worth it for all the features that you get. So you're going to go ahead and you can select a date that's going to be in the future as well as the time, and you're going to hit next. And you can actually schedule it out for multiple platforms at one time. You will need to be able to connect it. So when you select the channel, you can also select which particular page that you're scheduling, so you can do it one at a time. You're going to copy and paste your caption here, and you're going to hit schedule. So like I said, you're going to have a select the channel here. So for right now, they have Instagram, Facebook page, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn. I don't think anybody uses Tumblr anymore, but these are the ones that they have. So you'll need to select that particular platform, and you'll need to sign in to connect it. And this is how you will be able to schedule social media posts using Canva. So it's actually pretty simple. And like I said, you can go ahead and create a variety of designs within one, and you can schedule them out ahead of time. And so if we go back over here to designs, exit off of that, let's see, we can go ahead and say that we want to design a fashion show flyer or design. Just want to show this for the purposes. Go ahead and hit generate design and let them. This is new, so it might not be giving you what you're looking for. It may be better to look through templates, but I just wanted to show you guys this new feature really quick since I seen it here. If you, I would appreciate if you can give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what type of videos I should cover next, and subscribe so that you don't miss a video. I really appreciate every single person that watches my channel and comments and subscribes. So this is what they came up with. Like I said, it's new, so you're not gonna like everything but maybe you do, and so you could go ahead and edit the font or change this out. So I wanted to show you guys that real quickly. And so this is how you would go ahead and schedule out your posts. And I hope that this video has been helpful, and have a great day. Bye bye.